What's up YouTube? Jim here from Clockwork Industries. Welcome back to another short video. I wanted to get another quick one up here while we're still getting the other arrival video sorted out, and I'm almost wrapped up with a kind of walk around video. I couldn't quite get an assembly video made because I was kind of in a hurry to get this thing up and run production, which we have happening. So now we have both the 770 and the 1100 running production. Speaking of which, I'm going to go ahead and get this one fired up. Man, is it nice to have two machines running. So yeah, I just wanted to make another quick video in the meantime until the other videos go live, the longer format videos. I also want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. That's pretty awesome. I've been at this channel for a little while now, and hopefully we can keep things going consistently with the help of Steven editing, and I'm going to do more of these short videos like this. We should be able to keep regular content coming up with machining and computer modding and all that kind of stuff. So thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it. I want to do a giveaway for hitting 1,000 subscribers, so I'm going to do a separate video for that. I'm probably going to keep it simple where it'll be like, be subscribed to the channel and comment on the video, and then I'll have a random number generator, pick a comment. I came across one of those online, so that's probably what I'll do for that. The other cool thing with 1,000 subscribers is I have mobile live streaming, so now I can do live streams in the shop right on my phone, and that's pretty cool. I want to take advantage of that here soon. I've been wanting to do that for a little while now and just haven't had the time to get around to it, so I think I might try to do something like that this week, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, I think that'll wrap it up. I just want to do a short little video and say what's up and let you know we got the other videos on the way. Both machines are running production. Also, custom orders are now available as long as they fit on the work area of the Tormach here. So to keep it easy, I like to stick within like 10.5 by 17.5 would be the ideal size. So if you have a manifold or reservoir you want made within those parameters. I'm going to also do another video. It probably won't be a short video, but it won't be very long. I'm going to have to edit that one, but I want to show you guys kind of the criteria to send in to get a quote made up, and I'm also going to start doing some Fusion 360 videos and kind of doing some tutorials on how to make the manifolds and reservoirs with the parameters that I use for the O-ring and the screw threads and everything like that. So stay tuned for those. They're going to be coming very soon. Now that we have production up and running on both machines, I should be able to get pretty caught up and stay caught up and then get far ahead. So I want to keep this video short. I'm already at 3 minutes. It's longer than I wanted to do, but stay tuned for the full-length video of the machine arrival, another full-length video of kind of walk around, the first cuts, and then impressions and comparison between the two. And that'll be it for this one, guys. I really appreciate the support. Thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. That's awesome. On to 10K. I'll see you guys soon.